ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. It is now Friday, good afternoon, in Ada County, and a look at the docket in Idaho versus Kohberger continues to reveal that not a single document that was ordered to be unsealed over 3 weeks ago, with the court finding that dozens upon dozens of documents from January, February, and March 2025 under seal in the case were to be released to the public, with words to the effect of the court could not find a reason to keep them sealed from public disclosure. Yet today, not a single document from January, February, or March 2025 has been unsealed. And if they are not unsealed today, then the court being closed over the weekend, the next possible opportunity for anything to be unsealed from January, February, or March 2025 will not happen at the very earliest until Monday, the 12th of January, almost 3 months from the time that Judge Hippler rendered his third court order, asking both sides for their objections, non-objections to the unsealing of those documents from the first quarter of 2025. A look on the docket also reveals that the order that would start the process for the end of 2024, the fourth court order going to the parties and asking them for their objections or non-objections to the unsealing, for example, of documents from November and December 2024, has not even been released as of today. If that order doesn't come out today, that's another thing that will not happen until Monday at the very earliest. This case, it's not just a matter of the hearings that were held behind closed doors, the multiple documents, including evidence that were under seal and still is to a large extent under seal as of today. There was also a gag order that was in place during almost the entire pendency of the case. It was just rescinded in July of 2025 when the Media Coalition got involved and filed a motion for that gag order to finally be set aside. But what about the documents? Please read the declaration of Rebecca Boone. She was a member of the Media Coalition, highly credentialed, 26 years of experience in the field, right there located in Boise, went to the University of Idaho, followed this case, reported on it for the Associated Press. She says in her declaration she's never seen a case like this, sealed to this extent. The American public is starting to ask questions. Why is this case still sealed so much? The only documents that have been released are a few, a handful from April, May, June, and July of 2025. And there have been even more documents filed under seal post-closure of the case, up to and including on January 5th, 2026, when Judge Hippler signed an order sealing yet another document from the public. Some people have or are going to contact their federal congressional representatives, United States senators and or representatives, because they recognize that this was not just something that people in Idaho paid for. Federal tax dollars went to this investigation over a period of years because there were many federal employees that were involved in the investigation. And people are concerned that here they are getting ready to pay taxes one more time come this April 15th or before. And they don't know what their tax dollars paid for because the case is still under seal. We will continue to report to you as further events arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you very much for joining us here today.